Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to import and edit Illustrator file in your CorelDraw file. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do in your CorelDraw, what you want to do right here is to simply right click on the workspace right here and go ahead and make sure you select import right here. So click on import. Then the next thing you want to do, and this file window here is going to pump up, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your Illustrator file. So for that, I have my Illustrator file in this download folder right here. So I will go ahead and select the Illustrator file. You can see it right here. So having selected the Illustrator file, I'll come down below right here. I'll make sure I click on import. The next thing I'm going to do is to drag from the top downward right here. Then we have the file imported successful into my CorelDraw right here. Then you can begin to edit the file right here. So as much as possible, you can ungroup and change the color or do whatever you want to do with some of the objects right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to edit this particular object right here. So select on the object, then go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on ungroup all objects. So once you ungroup all objects, this will allow you to select them one after the other. So we can select on this particular one right here, and we can drag it somewhere else. Then we have another object right here. So for instance, I'm going to press Ctrl Z. So if I want to change this particular icon color, I'm going to select, click on it, and we can easily change the color to whatever color of our choice right here. You can see it right here. So we want to edit on this icon. I'm going to select this icon again. Then go ahead and click on ungroup all objects right here. So when you click on ungroup all objects, this will allow you to see all the elements that make up the object. And from here, you can click on them one after the other. So we have one shape from the bottom right here. We have another shape at the top. So we can decide to change the color to as many as possible as the case may be. It's that simple. So this is how to import and edit your Illustrator file in CorelDraw workspace without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.